Okay guys, so we've just come to a little bit down the road, just a few minutes away really, to Ironbridge itself. A little bit about the Ironbridge there. Cool building, the Ironbridge Toll House. Free admission in there. I've been wanting to come here for literally years. I love the way the buildings are situated around the Ironbridge itself, and the way the street is down there with the shops. Really gorgeous. And I'll just pop over here. I was wondering if they would do boat rides here. Doesn't surprise me if they do. Oh, there is a boat going out down there, so yeah, I think there is. I will show you the boat from the other side. But it's really nice here. What I think I'll do is I'll go down there and film down there. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so nice. And it's really nice the way it's all built round. Tastefully done. The way it goes all the way up the hill there. I bet that's a bit of a steep climb up there to go to that church. So what I want to do is go over here for a good view of the bridge itself. Wouldn't mind getting that. Oh, the cable's come off. Better. Past the War Memorial here, so we'll head on down there for a really nice shot of where the bridge is itself. I'll just show you that actually. Up there, good fish and chips place there, fish and chip shop, and we'll head on down. I'll give you a bit of a better view. That's much better view. Of the bridge itself. Really lovely. I'll head on over here. I'll show you where you can get the boats. I think it's boat trips. I think it really is. Over that way down there. So while the church bells are going there, or where, I'll just head on through here, through where the tunnel is, and we can go back up out the other side then. Look at that, and another view of the tunnel. See the family on the boat down there with another good view of the bridge. I don't know where the girls have gone, but I'm sure I'll find them in the end. I know where the car is anyway, unless they decide to zoom off and leave me. We'll carry on round and see a bit more of the town here. Wild iris, Darlingtons. Isn't it lovely? It's really, really, really nice. Such a nice place. Is that Tontine Hotel or Tontine? Bridge View, B&B. Oh, there's a place if you want to stay here. Good B&B there. Where you can get your ice cream. Just over there. And another awesome view of the bridge. And coming on round and back up. Ooh, pork pies. Love a good pork pie, I do. So that looks like a good hotel, and there's the Copper Fox over there. I love that building over there too. But it seems it's such a hot day today. It's very humid. It's really humid today. And there's Jill and Mo over there, coming on down. War Memorial there. I bet the houses here are quite expensive. It wouldn't surprise me anyway. Really, really lovely. Right, I'm going to catch up with the girls and see what they're doing now. Oh, gorgeous dog alert. And that's where we were before, down there. Let's take a first look at the bridge. So nice down there. Love a cottage down there. Mate, I'd like one of the white ones that you see down there, but I mean, look at the one on the right hand side, the brick, without any of the without any paint on it. That'd do me down to the ground. I'd like that. So you can see where the town is here. We've parked on the other side, just over there, and then we've just walked over the bridge, as you could tell. Just take a little look over here before we go. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. It's been a nice day out. It has. It's been a really lovely, nice day out. I mean, I know we've been to Bliss Hill before. We have as a family and friends, but it was good to go to the steampunk place. I really enjoyed that, and how that was really good family fun. Yeah, it was really good fun. So we're we're going to head on back to the car now. So I will probably just wind the video down. And I hope you enjoyed this. It would be awesome if you like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more stuff like this, or if you know anything around this area that I haven't covered before, let me know in the comments below. It'd be really good for you to let me know that, if you know this area, if you've been here before. Also let me know what it was like when you came. It's been a fairly cheap day for us, to be honest with you. Yeah, it's been fairly cheap, I have to be honest. Even, I mean, there was some of the steampunk stuff that was quite expensive, but you'd expect it to be expensive because they put a lot of work into it. But other than that, there was a lot of stuff that was also very affordable as well. And I'll just give you a final look down there. That family that's on the boat is way over there now. Gorgeous place. I wouldn't mind spending a bit more time here one day. So I'm going to go now. So it'd be awesome if you like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon. From me, Steve, ciao for now. Bye guys. Were you waving?